2025, estimate ko na around May 2025 nagkaroon ng I don't want to say this is an issue, but there's a situation that pushed you to build this deeper communication with your sibling.
Oh my God.
And this is
Oh
something
my.
that you're going to heal continuously. Okay,
For
this
you.
is something that you're going to go through continuously with your planetary timing up until 2027. So you have that time period to work on your relationship with your sibling. So you are on the right timing. Okay, you are aligned in your path. Okay, so the power now
Yes.
comes back, or the decision, yan, to hold this this situation, yan, now comes to you through your conscious choices. Now that you are aware of this, now na alam mo na, okay, medyo may tension kami when it comes to communication. What do I need to do? When I feel triggered, what do I need to do? Breathe. Kasi baka naman hindi kasi yun yung intention sa'yo eh. Baka may gusto lang na ipaabot sa'yo. May message lang na gustong sabihin. But because you're full, because you have your plates full, you're focusing on yourself, it sounds a little bit parang masakit sa tenga kapag narinig mo. Yan. So now, yung conscious choice mo to give yourself that space before engaging in a conversation, that's where your power comes in. That's where you control your life, your decisions. Hindi ang baraha, hindi ang astrology ang nagkocontrol yan. Ikaw. Kasi ikaw pa rin na magdadala sa'yo sa kung anong outcome gusto mo magkaroon kayo ng kapatid mo. Do you want it fixed, or do you want the distance to grow even better? 'Di ba? So you do the conscious choice that you need in order to bring you to that kind of manifestation.
Pero ang galing po nun. Ang galing po. Nahulaan nyo yung parang this year talaga. Yun nga yung goal ko this
Hindi
year.
ko nahulaan yun. It's based on your planetary
Ah,
timing.
okay.
It's based on your personal astrology.